Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical Swiss Army knives, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from Swiss Army knives, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Swiss Army knives from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Champ Swiss Army Knife. The Victorinox Swiss Champ Swiss Army Knife is the ultimate multi-tool, perfect for anyone who needs reliability and versatility in a compact design. With 33 functions including a 2.45-inch large blade, scissors, pliers, corkscrew, bottle opener, screwdrivers, and even a magnifying lens, this Swiss Army knife is ready for anything from daily tasks to outdoor adventures. Made from durable stainless steel and housed in sleek red ABS scales, the Swiss Champ is a toolbox in your pocket. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just handling household repairs, this Swiss-made tool has you covered. It's lightweight, weighing only 6.5 ounces, yet packed with features that provide unmatched convenience. With a lifetime guarantee against defects, this tool is built to last. Keep this Swiss Champ on hand for whatever life throws your way. Number 2. Leatherman Free P4 Multi-Tool Swiss Army Knife. The Leatherman Free P4 Multi-Tool Swiss Army Knife offers the ultimate premium multi-tool experience with its innovative features and sleek design. Made from durable stainless steel, this versatile tool combines 18 tools in one, including pliers, wire cutters, knives, screwdrivers, and more, making it perfect for tackling a wide range of tasks. Its revolutionary magnetic system allows for effortless tool access and smooth, secure use with reduced friction and haptic feedback. The P4 also includes a removable pocket clip and a premium nylon sheath, allowing for easy portability and quick access when needed. Whether you're working on a project or out in the wild, the P4 is built to handle it all. Proudly made in the USA, Leatherman backs its tools with a 25-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting quality. Get the Leatherman Free P4 today for reliable performance on every adventure. Number 3. NexTool Keychain Mini Multi-Pliers with Pocket Knife. The NexTool Keychain Mini Multi-Pliers with Pocket Knife is your go-to compact tool for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Featuring 11 functions including pliers, pocket knife, mini scissors, screwdriver, bottle opener, and card pin retrieval, it ensures you're always prepared for any situation. Crafted from durable 30-13 stainless steel, this multi-tool is ultra-tough, with superior cutting power and long-lasting sharpness. With its mini size of 2.77 into 1 into 0.64 inches and lightweight design, it fits comfortably on your keychain or in your pocket, making it easy to carry for camping, hiking, or daily tasks. The Mini Sailor Multi-Tool's sleek, high-quality engineering ensures years of reliable performance, making it an ideal gift for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities, DIY projects, or survival tasks. Don't miss out on this versatile, high-performance tool for any adventure or everyday task. Number 4. Mossy Oak Multi-Tool Stainless Steel Pocket. The Mossy Oak Multi-Tool Stainless Steel Pocket Knife is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts and DIY lovers. Made from ultra-durable stainless steel, this multi-tool is built to last and resist corrosion, ensuring years of reliable use. Featuring a 21-in-1 design, it includes everything from pliers, wire cutters, and screwdrivers to a serrated knife, wood saw, bottle opener, and more. Perfect for tackling a wide range of tasks. The self-locking design provides quick, easy access to each tool, while the ergonomically designed handles ensure a comfortable grip. The tool also comes with a durable nylon pouch that can be easily attached to a belt or backpack for on-the-go convenience. Ideal for activities like camping, hiking, fishing, or DIY projects, this multi-tool is the perfect Father's Day gift that combines practicality with a personalized touch. Make every adventure easier with the Mossy Oak Multi-Tool. Number 5. FLISSA Multi-Tool Pocket Knife with Sheath. The FLISSA Multi-Tool Pocket Knife with Sheath is the ultimate all-in-one solution for outdoor enthusiasts and DIY lovers alike. Featuring a 15-in-1 design, this multi-tool includes everything from long-nose pliers, soft and hard wire cutters, a knife, saw, and Phillips screwdriver, to wire stripper, slotted screwdrivers, can opener, and more. Perfect for tackling a variety of tasks. Crafted from ultra-durable stainless steel, it boasts outstanding corrosion resistance and longevity. The compact and lightweight build, only 0.50 cl, makes it easy to carry as your everyday companion, whether you're camping, hiking, or working on a DIY project. The included high-quality nylon sheath allows for convenient attachment to your belt or backpack for quick access. The unique VIL camo design adds a visually striking touch, blending functionality with style. Ideal as a Father's Day or holiday gift, the FLISSA multi-tool is perfect for any adventure or project. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.